Goodboost Aqua is an app-based therapeutic exercise program designed to benefit individuals that have a range of musculoskeletal conditions. Goodboost Aqua takes full advantage of the buoyancy of the water, providing customers with a low-impact session that's gentle on joints. Goodboost's AI technology creates personalised exercise programs that are designed around the individual. Personalised workouts are generated from the health data inputted during registration. After each session, the customer will rate the exercises to enable the device to regress or progress their next workout.
It's helped me immensely get moving my ankle, and I'm looking for better prospects later on in life.
I've been going to this session for 6 weeks now, and I've seen the benefit of it.
Sessions can vary in length between 10 and 45 minutes and can be run independently or facilitated by an active member of staff who are always on hand to support and guide customers.